Intro. Hey food lovers! If your curry turned out too watery, don't worry. Here are quick and easy fixes to get that curry thick, rich, and absolutely delicious. 1. Simmer it down. First things first, let's reduce it. If your curry has too much liquid, simmer it uncovered on medium heat. The excess water will evaporate, and the curry will naturally thicken. Stir occasionally to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom. Pro tip: keep an eye on it, though. If you reduce it too much, your curry could get too thick. Just let it simmer until it reaches the perfect consistency. 2. Add a thickener. Need to speed things up? Thicken it with a quick ingredient. A teaspoon of cornstarch or rice flour, mixed with water, will thicken your curry in seconds. Just pour it in while stirring to avoid lumps. You can also use gram flour, besan, or wheat flour for a similar effect. If you're making a creamy curry, try adding coconut cream or heavy cream to both thicken and enrich the flavor. 3. Use mashed ingredients. Another great way to thicken your curry. Use mashed potatoes or lentils. You can mash some cooked potatoes or lentils and stir them into your curry. This will give it a creamy texture and a hearty feel without changing the flavor much. Microphone hash pro tip: you can also blend a bit of the curry itself. Scoop some out, blend it smooth, and then return it to the pot for a thicker, smoother finish. 4. Tomato paste or puree. If you're working with a tomato-based curry, adding tomato paste or tomato puree can thicken the curry while deepening the flavor. Stir in a couple of tablespoons and let it cook through. Tomato paste adds richness and a nice acidity, which is perfect for balancing the curry and giving it that full-bodied texture. 5. Bulk it up. Not in a rush. You can also bulk up the curry with more ingredients. Add some sautéed onions, boiled potatoes, or even pre-cooked vegetables or meat. These ingredients will absorb the excess liquid and help bring everything together. 6. Final seasoning. Once you've thickened your curry, make sure to taste and adjust the seasoning. Adding a pinch of salt, a squeeze of lemon, or a sprinkle of garam masala can brighten the flavors and balance out any excess richness. Outro. And there you have it. Your watery curry is now thick and full of flavor. With these simple fixes, you'll never have to toss out a watery curry again. Like, share, and subscribe for more cooking tips, and let me know in the comments if you've got any kitchen fails you need help with. End slide. Happy cooking, and remember, no curry is too watery to fix.